Ouachita Mountain Living. We're going to go for a bike ride today. Brand new one. I haven't even rode it 10 feet. I don't think I've rode it at all. Look at this big old monster, guys. This is the Engwe E26. And I love that color. Look at them big beefy tires. Man. Got the big rack on the back. And I've had this bike a while. And I owe this company a good review on this bike. And so we're going to take it and shoot down the road over to, well, we'll stop by Peter's house, see what he's up to. But when I get back, then we'll go over all the specs. Traffic is not bad right now, so it's a perfect time. It's about 80 degrees, perfect weather, perfect day for a nice bike ride. It doesn't get any nicer than this. So let's go. All right, we are cameraed up. And we're gonna hop on this dude, take her for a spin. Get on her. All right, let me turn it on, button underneath. I got my mirror set up. I guess that'll work. All right, let's see what mode we're in. We're gonna start off fast. All right, we got business in it. Here we go. I'm gonna start out pedaling, guys. Oh, I'm stuck on a hump there. All right, here we go. Oh yeah, boy, it's got shocks on the seat. That's really cool. Brakes work. All right. Looks good that way. Let's open her up. Here we go. 15, 17, 18. That mirror's worthless. Alright. Now if you pedal on this, it goes faster. Alright, this is not, I'll have to see what I'm doing wrong. Trying to find a higher gear. No, that ain't it. Alright, let's open her up. I want to be run over by a dump truck. Boy, this thing rides nice. Very nice. Woo! Tree down. Gotta find the right gear. Beautiful day. Here we go. Listen to the horn. I know it'll do faster than this. We'll have to see. 23 is good enough for me. I can't see nothing in that mirror. Alright, here we are. Woo, you guys know this place, only it has a different occupant. What's up, Big P?
Good afternoon.
What do you think? It's a monster, ain't it? I look pretty darn.
This is the exact reason I need security cameras. Look at who showed up here.
This is an Engwe. Whoo, I didn't tighten the handlebars very good, did I?
That's a big boy.
Yeah. All right, guys. Hey, this is Peter from Old Man King Homestead. Look at this. I got a keychain to put the keys to this bicycle on. I'll leave a link to Peter's channel. He's been around a while. He moved here from New York. How long ago?
It's been about 14 months.
Well, things are working out for you.
Yep, sure are.
He purchased this house. You guys probably recognize it. And then he's got this tiny cabin here that he's staying in till they get the floor replaced in here. So till that happens, he's comfortable. Beats what he was living in, my old fifth wheel. All right.
No room in here.
All right, Peter, we're going to hit the road.
Well, thanks for stopping by.
And I'm going to tell these folks about this bike. All right. Ha! I love that horn. You can't beat it. All righty. See you later. Here we go, guys. Probably helped to turn the bike on. 3, 4, 5. There we go. Doing a little pedaling because I could use the exercise. Let's see how fast we can get her. I don't want to push it because I don't got these handlebars tight. There we go. Alright, now I'm just going to relax a bit. This thing is a very smooth riding bike. Very smooth, ow, bug right in the neck. Y'all probably seen that. There we go. Very comfortable. And it has a shock absorber right on the seat. I charged this, I bet I had this bike 2 months, and that's how long ago it's been since I charged this battery. And when I put it in the bike, it's still at 100%. So that's pretty good. So they hold a charge for a long time. All right, let me look behind me. I'm gonna go ahead and get over here. Yeah, this thing's fun. Let's take it around the yard a few times and see how it handles off-road. Good stopping power. Time to mow the grass. I'm gonna take it down to pedal assist 3. Oh yeah, nice and easy. So if you do got to go off into the grass or the dirt, she can handle it. All that weed eating I did yesterday. Well, there's Miss Melly. Oh, I'm not gonna get you. Woo, duck. Power line. Ooh, ooh. Yeah. The dogs tore up the cardboard that was in there. All right, guys, let's go over some of the features of this. All right. What a fun ride that was. Let's go over some of the specs on this bike. The mirror did not come with it. This is one I purchased, and I put it on the wrong side. You don't put the mirror where it's facing in. Should have been on that side. I did not do that. But that set of mirrors is no good anyway. But it does have the horn. And right there's got your controls for your Shimano 7-gear derailleur. It's got the kickstand. Look at this. And you do feel this when you're riding. This is the shocks. And it has a quick release adjustable seat. It's got the luggage rack on the back. You put a bike bag, whatever you want on there. Rear and front disc brakes. Okay, this is a 1,000 watt dual suspension all-terrain e-bike. Now this is the High-Step model. I do believe they make a low step or a step-through where you can just step right through. It's a little difficult to get on if you're older, if you have any back or leg issues. I managed to just lean it downward and step right on. It comes with a really nice headlight, and again the big fat tires. It's just a good looking bike all the way around, and they have a few colors to choose from. I picked this gray. It's really nice. Let's see. This has a top speed of 28 miles an hour. Now, this has the 16 amp hour motor. A lot of them have the 20 amp, but this will go just as fast. I think it's just a little less. It'll go 87 miles. Now, that's probably with pedal assist. But, you know, I was going 24, 25 miles an hour. Hey, that was good enough for me. Let's go look at the other side of it. So it has a 1,000 watt brushless motor. I had no problems with how this thing rode. Just a good looking bike, man. We went over the battery. Now this bike weighs 73 pounds. What we got there? Just a piece of the shipping tape that it came in. And has about 6 hours charge time. And this bike here will carry 330 pounds. So you can be a bigger person, and this bike will accommodate you. So I did not film putting this together. As I said, I've had it a while. So as you can see, it's still new. Got to take the film off the taillights there. That's a good feature. This is a very good feature to have so you don't get the mud on your butt. Nobody wants mud up on your butt. And up here, let's look at the control pad again. Let me go ahead and turn her on. And the switch for that is underneath here. Okay. And you got a full color display. There we go. You can see I got 2.3 miles on it. So that was the maiden voyage of this bike. This is going to be one of my favorites. Yeah, you sit up high and proud. Pretty nice bike, man. And it has the 5 pedal assist modes. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm sure it has sports mode. As usual, I'm not prepared. There's your odometer. Max miles, average speed or whatever. I don't know. It's got all kinds of stuff. And you can get into these and play with the settings, and that's probably what I need to do. There it is, man. We'll leave a link to this bike in the description. This is a very fairly inexpensive one as far as these e-bikes go. This is just over $1,000. I just looked on their website 15 minutes ago. I think it was $1,099. There may be discounts once they get reached back to me. If there is a discount code, if you're interested, maybe wait a day, see if I get any discount codes. I'll post them on the link. In the meantime, watch the video again, see if it's something you might be interested in. But I'm gonna tell you, once you get an e-bike, you're hooked, because they're fun. This ain't no trike. This is a bike. We don't ride trikes in this household. Capiche? All right. Thanks for watching. Happy trails. Before we go, let's sneak up on a puppy dog and a rooster. Are you getting you some sun? Yeah, 80 degrees. Where's your silly sister at? Waddles, where you at? Chick, chick. That's all he needs to hear. There he comes. There he comes. Waddles, you've been missing in action, buddy. People ain't seen you. Here he comes. Here he comes. What you doing, son? With your big old red breast? Chick, chick. Why do you think I got treats? Because that's what you do when you got treats. That's what you tell us. Say happy trails, Waddles.